me as someone friend person don't know say I for the continent pass and I represent Kingmixup. Baddest when it come on to entertainment news. Don't miss a beat. Make sure you stay tuned.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set, bless. But, you know, just a few updates another day. I'm more unforgiving, not in any particular order. So it's extremely important to watch to the end, so I'm not missing a thing. As you can see, our boy Nige is doing his thing. He's linked up with the biggest boss in Jamaica. Bro, God, you see what I say? After finishing up his interview where he received his Jamaican birth certificate in Braille, so he can read. As you know, he has, problems with his vision. He's blind, but blind people can still read. You see what I said? But speaking about birth certificate, it has come to the nation of Jamaicans that Mark Golden is not a Jamaican. And I mean, he's a British citizen, but him say him born at Jamaica from birth. Put in the comment section where you think about that. Honestly, I'm not politically affiliated with JOP and PNP, so it don't really matter to me, you feel what I'm saying? But a lot of people is taking it to heart. You see it, as you can see, Daravaz, do film job as calling out Mark. You feel me? But me want for putting in the comment section and tell me this. Does it really matter who's fooling PNP and JOP? Because we know both parties is being fooled. You see what I said, by these puppets. You know what I mean, bro? Gotta call Master Mark Master, but he must serve other masters. You see me? So I don't know what is the difference. You feel what I mean? And we know enough people love non-Jamaicans that was head of the state. You see what I said? That's just my observations from somebody outside of the thing. Put in the comment section when you think about that.
You know, Sir Andrew is a turn out to be the best prime minister with me ever see Jamaica have. And before people start crucifying me.
I believe that the Jamaican diaspora is much bigger than our Commonwealth. And that the Jamaican Commonwealth is our diaspora wherever they are. And that we should allow persons with Jamaican citizenship to be able to serve Jamaicans in our parliament politically. So for me, it doesn't matter what other citizenship you have once you swear allegiance, being a Jamaican citizen, to Jamaica. That would be my stated position.
And everybody are going to get it still, you know. But a while ago, the Prime Minister stated the difference of a Jamaican and a Jamaican citizen. The difference of the Commonwealth and the Jamaican diaspora, wherever they might be. You know, wake up, people. I just that alone, I can say to you.
Now, the next trending thing we say out there is Octane burning out some fish business. You see what I said? These might be some Jamaican comedians, but it look like the Straight Nation boss is under fire too for seemingly smiling up with, sample 6 on them. You see what I said? But as you can see, it goes against Straight Nation's protocol. But nevertheless, let's hear what Octane has said, and then we'll proceed to Foota's case.
Yeah, what the blood clot a go on, boy? And them behavior no one condone, boy, eh? And that's why I sing about blood clot pussy me love on no vex. You know how much money I talk about dog, I one song alone you have, or millions of songs me have. But you don't forget about the importance of a vagina, you don't forget about the importance of woman. Boy, you slap boy pan ass, I'm gonna put that on internet and no found I comment and laugh. You know you someone about, hey, I want to them new blood clot you with your boy, man. I want to shake this up. Eh? And then when you hear about vagina, it's like when I'm allergic to the word and I'm allergic to woman. I want to, hey boy, I want to know. I know one song, but me I beat it on the head. See? Because when I come and shake up your blood clot world, boy, look when I put on the internet and I want to find this amusing. Eh? When I laugh about it. Pussy. Man, fit, love. No man no fear slap, no man pass. So me I grow up, I think I can try that boy, boy. A football where I play hard tackle. When I slap man pass and when I laugh and I put this on internet. I want to hear about pussy me love on no vex. Youths, And when I say youth, I mean, because youth are both gender, I mean, little boy where I grew up. Vagina on for love, yeah? On a little male friend of not slap on up on the ass, boy, yeah? Make sure this beating on the head. Pussy me love, and we not change.
Put in the comment section if you think he was overreacting. Octane's peaking, you see what I say? Because we make the post on IG and some people say, you know, he's overreacting and thing, you know, these people could be brothers running, you know, them type of joke that you see me, as well as other people upon them out, you see what I say? And when you see Foota hype with these type of people, it can be harmless, you see what I say? Because, you know, in an African tradition, you know, piercings and all of these things is accepted. You know what I mean? I don't know what tribe these people is repping, but as you can see, he's out with sample 6 on them. You see what I say? And you know, the people that was in his comment section, you know, asking him, you know, about such man and all of these things. As you can see, he was, you know, being nonchalant about it, not knowing what they're talking about. But when you put in the comment section, we're going to think about that. Should one practices what they preach, or to each his own? Yes, some people. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Now, I just want to update on this Diddy situation with Cassie, because as you can see, it's not a good look. You feel what I mean? But a lot of people didn't understand why he didn't mention Cassie's name when he was apologizing, you know, after this video leak. You see what I said, by CNN. But as you can see, I said because he probably, you know, can't legally after settling the lawsuit, and my assumption was right. As you can see, TMZ confirmed, you know, that's what the settlement was. You see what I said? Because, you know, Cassie's like a victim and he's like a predator, you see? So it would be like, you know, traumatizing her all over again. You see what I said? So adjust that with that, you see me? Another aspect, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, when the video first leaked from CNN, people were still in denial. You feel what I mean? Homeboy was saying we can't even prove that's him, Diddy speaking, and Cassie in other video question. You see what I'm saying? And that's a good suggestion, you see, but everybody knows that was Diddy, you know what I mean? And CNN now I gotta leak them things there and not get verification. I'm pretty sure they have Diddy entering and exiting in, you know, the hotel for them to know who is on the tape. You see it, but this is why Cassie, them lawyer, waited to Diddy to make a statement, you know, confirming that was him indeed on the tape. You see, as you can see the statement in front of you, you know what I mean? A lot of people, like I said, is having conflicting, you know, thoughts on the situation. Let's hear what Sherry is talking about, and then we'll proceed.
So many of you talking about Diddy are full of shit, because you're talking about what you would do to Diddy and how you don't appreciate him beating women. But there's men right there in your community who you know do it all the time, and you're letting them make it. You're not talking about them, and you ain't touched them. In fact, I know firsthand, 2 different men have hit me twice, and twice my own friends and people close to them tried to convince me that I should give them another chance. These are people who I thought cared about me. I don't deal with them anymore, and I don't deal with those men anymore. The difference between me and those women is I fight back. You don't get to hit me more than once. So they didn't win when it came to me. But I had people who I thought loved me, who I thought were my friends, tell me, oh, well, he only hit you once, right? Is that what you're talking about? Give him another chance. I'm sorry, you don't get another chance with Cherry Johnson, because Cherry motherfucking Johnson loves herself more than she loves anybody else besides from her child and her mother. So while you condemn these famous men, think about the men in your community. Think about the situations that you need to correct, or the women that you need to apologize to, because that's really what affects your life more than Diddy. Just saying. Just because you know them or you're friends with them doesn't mean they have the same relationship with you that they do the women who are romantically involved with them. Stop assuming that you know people. The truth is, you never know what another man, and when I say man, I mean man or woman, is capable of. Because you hit me, I'm going to beat your ass. And most of you are not going to think I'm capable of that. Ask the two who hit me how it turned out for them.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that, cause you know Diddy, put his hands on man's and woman's. You see me, I say. But all in all, it's not a good look, and it's gonna take a lot of time for him to get back in good space with people. You feel me? I'm not sure if the feds is going to pick up a case, but that look what they're looking to do. You see me, I say. So the clock is ticking, you know what I mean? Anyway, just to give them a quick update tonight night. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.